Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a learning roadmap for Node.js in 2023. Node.js is a powerful JavaScript runtime that allows developers to build server-side applications using JavaScript, and it's becoming increasingly popular among developers. 1. Understanding Node.js. Before we dive into the roadmap, let's first discuss what Node.js is and why it's important. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. It allows developers to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser, which means that you can use JavaScript to create back-end services like web servers, API servers, and more. Node.js has a large and active community and offers many modules and packages that can be used to build various types of applications, and has proven to be popular for building scalable and high-performance applications. 2. Essential Node.js concepts. The first step on our learning roadmap is to understand some essential Node.js concepts. This includes understanding how Node.js works with event-driven, non-blocking I/O, how to work with modules and packages, how to work with the built-in module system, and how to work with the built-in package manager, NPM. Understanding these concepts is important because they will provide you with a solid foundation for building Node.js applications. After you've mastered these concepts, you'll be able to start building your own applications and experimenting with different tools and libraries. 3. Building a basic Node.js application. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to start building your own applications. The best way to learn Node.js is by doing, so the next step on our learning roadmap is to build a basic Node.js application. This could be a simple web server that serves up a website, or a simple API server that allows you to retrieve data from a database. By building a basic application, you'll gain hands-on experience with Node.js and will be able to put the concepts you've learned into practice. This will also give you an opportunity to experiment with different modules and packages, and start understanding how to structure your code. 4. Advanced Node.js concepts and tools. Once you've built a basic application, it's time to dive into more advanced Node.js concepts and tools. This includes topics such as security, testing, and deployment. Security is extremely important, and understanding it will help you to build more secure applications. There are also many libraries and tools that can help you with testing and debugging your applications, and understanding them will help you to identify issues and fix them more easily. Deploying your application is an essential step for making it available to the public, and it's important to understand how to deploy your application to a production environment. There are several different hosting services and platforms that can be used to deploy Node.js applications, such as Heroku, AWS, and Google Cloud. Conclusion. By following this learning roadmap, you'll be well on your way to mastering Node.js and be able to build robust and scalable applications. Remember to practice and experiment with different tools and libraries, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials and updates.